In today's video, I will discuss about Premium Block. So let's start it. What is Premium Block? Premium Block is a platform where user can create a crypto pool based on multi-chain network and can use it to gather cryptocurrencies for pool participants. This is a one-stop tool for Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polkadot network pool creation. KYC implementation. The platform supports KYC protection for pools. The pool creator can opt to use KYC options for a pool create for a group of users. KYC service providers will be a top-tier service provider specialized in blockchain field. Premium Block is the first platform to provide pool creation with a multi-chain network. There is no traceable pool creation platform that gives end user protection. Premium Block gives KYC protection for individual pool creation. Premium Block gives KYC protection for individual pool created in the description for pool creator. User can participate in the pool by investing or donating crypto based on pool team and conditions. To gain trust in a platform, users accept no EU customers. Implementing KYC integration into the platform will avoid scammers and fraud that collect the pool funds and run away. Premium Block platform will make it easy for pool creator to distribute the coin or token to pool addresses at same time with less gas fees and time. Premium Block platform will conduct fundraising through initial coin offering for best top tier project. PRB token holders will benefit more in this fund. Raising host allocation will be calculated based on amount of token. PRV token is the key element that fuels the Premium Block ecosystem. Almost 80% of the platform fees collected are used for rewarding PRV token holders through staking and liquidity providers. PRV token is the ecosystem can be used as a governance token for proposal, ballot and actions. Any PRV holders can initiate a proposal. To promote a proposal to a ballot and be eligible to enter the voting queue, the ballot sponsor must stake a minimum of 500 PRV tokens. Other members can co-sponsor the ballot by staking additional PRV, which gives the ballot a higher priority. The solution offered by Premium Block allows users to gather crypto safely with KYC integration, which will eliminate problems related to fraud that run pool funds. Supported by PRV tokens, it allows participants to participate in the governance platform and earn through yield farm. That's it today. Okay, take care. Bye bye.